Making thumbnail used to be such a pain, spending hours checking pictures, editing them, and still ending up with something that didn't look great. But AI has completely changed the game. Now you can create amazing thumbnails in minutes without all the hassle. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to create amazing AI thumbnails and improve your CTR 5 times. Let's get started. First, go to Found.ai. This is where we will train your digital avatar. Create an account and top it up with $10. But don't worry, only $2 will be used for training. And fast training takes about 5 minutes. That's all you need. So head to the search bar and find Flux LoRa Fast Training. First, you need to prepare your dataset. You will need around 30 to 50 images of yourself. And for the best results, include different lighting condition, professional, normal, a mix of close-up and full body shots, and various face angle to capture your feature well. Now head to Set Trigger Word. This is a special keyword that helps you code your model when generating your new images. Click the start button to begin training. Wait about 5 minutes until it's done. Once the training is finished, you will see a green label that says completed. And now you can start generating images. But before generating amazing AI thumbnails, let's break it down these parameters so you understand what it means to customize it to your liking. First, in the input, you can see the prompts. This is the place where you can tap in what you want to see in generated image. I attach a document below as well so you can try out with the prompts example. LoRa path is basically the link to the location when your LoRa file is located, which means the images you just trained, just copy and paste it somewhere so you can reuse it anytime you want. So you train a LoRa to make your thumbnails look awesome and like you. And the scale setting is super important for this. It controls how much LoRa influences your face and image in the thumbnail. Lower scale means make subtle enhancement like color correction and keep the core feature. This is great for polished but natural look. High scale, it pushes LoRa style more aggressively. But be super careful. Too high, the thumbnail might start to look less like you and even distort the feature. I usually leave it around 1 to 1.3. In the image size, this determines the resolution of the generated image. Next, you see the num inference number. What does it mean? Think of it as how many times AI repaint the image, refine detail each time. More step, it means sharper, more detail and higher quality image. The AI have more chances to fix errors and add finer details. Fewer step, it means faster generation, but potentially blur, less defined, or with artifacts. It's like sketching. More passes, a more polished and complete drawing, and fewer passes. It's a rough sketch. I usually leave it around 28 to 30. Next, we can see the seed. The seed is like the recipe number. If you use the same recipe, you will get exact same image every time. And change the seed, and you will get a completely different variation. It controls the randomness of image generation process. The guidance scale tells your AI how closely it should follow your text prompt. And here's how it works. The AI strictly follow your prompts. Higher guidance scale, it means the AI strictly follow your prompts. The image will be very similar to what you described. Lower guidance scale, the AI has more freedom to be creative and add its own detail, but it might not match your prompt as accurately. In short, high CFG, follow the rules, and low CFG, be creative. I usually leave it around 3.5. Number of images, this is the number of images that you want to generate in one run. I leave it at 1. And now when you click the run button, you will get amazing thumbnail. And sometimes it doesn't always generate amazing results. So you need to work on the prompt, use ChatGPT to optimize it to get the best prompt. And if you use this tool, it's gonna save you hours for making thumbnail. Now you got the great thumbnail, a perfect package for your video. But here's the thing, if viewers click on your video and notice this common editing mistake, they will stop watching almost immediately. Why do I know? I worked with hundreds of creators and trained them. The mistakes are so common that most people make them without even realizing it. That's why you should watch this next video to avoid them and keep your audience hooked.